Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel IELTS with Param. If you are planning to take the IELTS exam, then you are in the right place. In this video, I will share some important tips to help you prepare effectively and push your score. So watch my video till the end and subscribe my channel for latest video. IELTS preparation tips. Now the test format. Before you start preparing, it's important to familiarize yourself with the IELTS format. That test is divided into four sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And each section had its own set of challenges. Practice listening to different accents. The IELTS listening test includes speakers with various English accents from British to Australians and even Canadians or American. So try listening to different podcasts, news channel to understanding different pronunciation. Time management is key. During the IELTS test, time is limited, so need to practice yourself to ensure you finish each section within the allotted time. For example, in the reading section, you have just 16 minutes to read the three long passages and answer 40 questions. It is important to work on skimming and scanning technique to get a through quickly. Develop a strong vocabulary. A wide range of vocabulary will help you across all four sections, especially in reading and writing modules. Start by learning new words every day and make sure to focus on academic vocabulary. Use tools like flashcards or apps to keep track of new words you learn. Practice speaking with a partner. Speaking section can be feel daunting, but the more you practice, the better you will get. Find a study partner or a teacher to practice common English speaking topic. Focus on fluency and pronunciation, and don't worry too much about making mistake. Just keep speaking confidently. Review model essay for writing. The writing section often challenges students, especially task 2, where you have to write an essay. Read model essay to get a sense of structure, vocabulary, and how ideas are logically presented. Take full practice test. Lastly, take full length practice test under exam condition. This will help you manage your time, build endurance, and understand where you need to improve. I recommend taking at least 2 or 3 fully tests before your exam date. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.